Right now it's 72. Whew, with 82% humidity. That's the issue. It's not the heat, it's the humidity. Very uncomfortable this morning. Winds are calm, and the humidity is going to continue to climb here over the next couple of days. So really what we've got a little bit early. Summer starts officially on Saturday, but a little sizzle here for today and for tomorrow. Bless you. Humidity is climbing here over the next couple of days, and that's what's going to make it even more uncomfortable. So if you've got maybe an elderly person or someone next door you're worried about, you might want to check on them, make sure that they have air conditioning or a fan or something like that going to keep cool. Storms to the north today, well off to the north. We're not going to see anything here. So here's the way we start. Upper 60s at Westerville, 70 at Gahanna, Groveport, Grove City, Hilliard, and Dublin, and 72 over at Columbus. London just dropped. It was 73 last. Well, it is 73 on this map. 70 at Dublin, 72 at Westerville, mid to upper 60s to the north. So there really aren't any cool spots. We're way above normal this morning, going to be way above average again this afternoon. 69 at Mansfield, second day in a row. Finley is 70 plus in the early morning hours, so a warm start in Hancock County. But how about that 75 over at Dayton this morning? Live Doppler 10 radar, no showers or thunderstorms in the region at all. There's a little bit of activity up here over Lake Michigan. That's riding over the top of us. There is a frontal boundary off to the north, so some showers may slide, look like a little bit developing here in northern Indiana, and that may graze the northern part of the state here later on. So the Storm Prediction Center puts northern Ohio under a slight risk for severe weather. This goes from New York and Pennsylvania all the way back to Montana and Wyoming, because that's the way this boundary is running. We are south of this boundary, but that's because all the warm air, the southerly air, coming in behind it. That's why we're going to be hot and sticky here. But along the boundary, again, some showers and storms may develop for later on today. In the meantime, 77 degrees at 9, mid-80s at noon, and then 92, feeling more like 96 to 99 this afternoon. Southwest winds 5 to 15. Not quite enough for a heat advisory, but getting awful close. As you look at the region, there are some thunderstorms up here, but they're kind of moving to the north and east, so they're riding away from us this morning, but there is some moisture that may get into northern Ohio here later on this morning. If you look at the model, pretty quiet through the day. The model doesn't even give a huge chance to precipitation off to the north, but it is there. Here's 5 o'clock. Should have a dry morning commute, a dry evening commute, but again, pace yourself in the afternoon with the heat. Tomorrow morning also very quiet, and most of tomorrow looks pretty good as well. Now late in the day, mainly tomorrow night and going into Thursday, we get back into a chance for showers and storms. So the daytime chance tomorrow is maybe 20%, and then as you go through, well, you'll see a certain similarity here as we go through everything from Thursday to next Monday. Variable clouds, partly cloudy, we'll call it, with a chance for showers and storms. Temperatures in the mid-80s Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Morning lows very, very close to 70 degrees. Monday maybe just a shade cooler with a high in the low 80s. So pop up. That is a very summer-like pattern, and by then, of course, we'll be in summer as we go toward the early part of next week.